Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing great. So for today's video, we are going to talk about acne scarring and how to get rid of them. Today I am partnering up with Banish. First of all, thank you Banish for coming across my videos, and they give me as a worthy opponent to test your product and give an honest review, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I've been using their product for about a month now, and I've received the whole skincare line, and I must say I am very impressed. I made sure to do all my research. Anytime I'm introducing any type of products to you guys, just know that these are something that I myself would use and recommend to you guys. And also about Banish, they ship internationally as well. More than the skincare line itself, what was so inspiring for me, what was so relatable for me was the story of Daisy. It just brought me back to the time when I had first started breaking out. I think I was in 8th grade. I was in 8th grade and I clearly remember that day till today. My first breakout, I just went through puberty. Like, you break out, everybody tells you it's normal. So at that time, I didn't get the help that I needed. Didn't go to a doctor because I thought, this happens to every one of us. So I relied on benzoyl peroxide, like over-the-counter medication. I would just slap that on my face. Not that it did anything other than dry my skin out even more. So I remember going back to school. So I remember being in my AP biology class, and one of my close friends who is so blunt, he's never had acne. Until that point, I've never seen even a single, small spot on his face. So I can understand that he doesn't have that sentiment, and that he doesn't have that understanding that people who are going through breakout, like, they don't want to hear about what's on their face. Like, I already was at that point where I didn't even want to look at the mirror. I avoided mirror as much as possible. The only time I would ever look at the mirror is to cover my acne in the morning, and that was it. So I remember being in class and he was just like looking at me and just scanning my face. Already you are so subconscious of talking to people, because instead of making eye contact, people tend to look at your acne more. Their eyes are just like going around your face. But he was deliberate. I have already forgiven him, but the thing that he said after that, "What's on your face? It looks disgusting. Like, what happened to your face?" I was just at that point, you already feel so shitty about your skin. And at that point, I just, so mad, so angry, wanted to cry. But I had to pretend I was okay. But that is how it feels. That is how people treated me at that time when I had acne, like bullying for something that is so out of my control, like as if I'm asking for acne on my face. So, listening to Daisy's story and how she was bullied because of acne, it resonated with me so much. And because she felt so strong about this whole experience, she wanted to come up with a line, create skincare product made especially for people who have been suffering from acne, who will suffer from acne, so that they won't have to go through the same thing that we did, that she did. Like, I was always skeptical about using microneedling at home. I've done it at doctor's office and I've obviously seen great results. But when it came to doing it at home, I was always very scared because you could actually damage your skin more than repair it. But the needle that they have is very safe. It's 0.5 mm, and I'll demonstrate to you guys how to use it safely. All these products are specially made for people who have sensitive skin, people who are suffering from acne, people who have scarring. So keeping that in mind, they have made a skincare line that will help rather than make your situation worse. So I'm actually so excited to get this started and show you guys this product. And I hope to all of you guys that will end up using it will see the same result that so many people have had from these products. So without any further ado, without wasting your time, I'm gonna get this started. Love you guys and see you guys soon. Bye.
Before using the banisher, keep it dipped in alcohol for about 5 minutes and let it air dry for 2 minutes. Microneedling can be safely done at home to improve the appearance of the skin, reduce acne scars, help products absorb better in the skin, and so on. As the pin pricks from the procedure causes slight injury to our skin, the skin responds back by making new collagen-rich tissue. In result, it makes your skin more firm, smoother, and toned. Don't do this too often. I do this only once a week. And again, repeat the procedure of dipping it in alcohol after using it as well. Pumpkin enzyme extract contains protease, which is a type of enzyme that helps resolve protein. So basically, this natural enzyme helps digest dead surface on the skin. They are generally gentle to your skin, and overall this mask is love. My skin does feel super soft afterwards and well exfoliated. I do mix it with water a little bit to dilute it so that it's not too strong for my face. I leave it on my skin for 20 minutes and wash it off. I do tend to get mild eczema during winter sometimes, so I am going to go ahead and put on my clindamycin phosphate lotion to treat just that. Here I'm using vitamin C beauty elixir. The second main ingredient in this is aloe barbadensis leaf juice, which helps to soothe skin and serve as an anti-inflammatory. It has burn healing effects, scar reducing, and wound healing properties. Bilberry, being one of the best sources of antioxidant compound, is a third main ingredient. Overall, this is an excellent facial mist. In the beginning, I was using it by spraying on my face, but I found that just spraying it in the cotton pad and putting on my face worked the best for me. After the vitamin C beauty elixir, I'm just going to use a CeraVe moisturizing lotion to moisturize my skin before moving on to anything else. Here I'm using vitamin C cream. Just like the vitamin C beauty elixir, this vitamin C contains organic aloe barbadensis extract, which helps soothe skin, reduce scar, and repair wounds. In summer, I would use this cream as it is, but in winter, I mix it with Weleda skin food. The vitamin C also contains rosehip oil, which is rich in essential fatty acids and extremely high in vitamin C. The ascorbyl palmate, a preservative with antioxidant properties, help in blending vitamin A, C, and D. It's a great collagen builder and helps to fight free radical damage to promote healthy skin. Afterwards, I just proceed with a normal eye cream before moving on to the next product. Banish oil. The main ingredient is glycerin, a humectant, which is a moisturizing agent that helps to pull water out onto the layer of your skin from deeper levels of your skin and the air. Also contains pure grade L ascorbic acid, which is protein antioxidant skin soothing agent that can improve appearance of signs of aging. It's great that it's packaged in a jar to keep the product stable. Also contains aloe barbadensis, leaf juice, hamamelis, Rojina extract, a skin conditioning agent, ferulic acid, and so on. This oil helps to lock in everything and at the same time reduce the look of acne scars and hyperpigmentation a lot faster. I just massage this oil into my skin, and whatever's left on my hand, I just massage it onto my hands and my neck. And the last step, my lip moisturizer. And we're done, guys. I know it seems like a lot, but I wish there was one miracle product out there that would give you the skin you want. But it's a combination of skincare product that you have to use diligently to get the skin you want. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Until next time, love you and see you soon. Bye bye.